guys, so tomorrow signifies the very first day of my new job where I'm going to be a manager over an automotive department. And to kind of set up something for on my desk, I wanted a candy dish. And I was going through Thingiverse trying to find something that would come close to matching what I'd like. And when I came across this tire by, forgive me if I got your name wrong, Palmiga, P-A-L-M-I-G-A. He designed this tire right here, and I think it would be great for a candy dish, especially if I make it larger. So I'm going to go ahead and download this particular one here, which I believe is going to be this one right here. I'm going to download that one particular one. I'm going to take over to Tinkercad and see if I can play with it and make it into a candy dish. Okay, so I'm over here into Tinkercad, and I want to go ahead and change the name of this to Car Tire Candy Dish. Okay, and I'm going to try to import the model. Okay, so I want to download this or upload this model into Tinkercad if I can. I'm just trying to find it. There it is. And let's see if I can import it. Okay, so the tire is successfully imported into Tinkercad. I want to lay it down on its side. Now right now, this tire measures 56.15 millimeters by 56.15 millimeters. I'm going to make that more like 100 by 100. Let's pull that into the center. And I want to drop that down level with the build plate. That will work. Now I want it to be a candy dish, so I need to put something in the bottom of it. So I'm just going to bring in a circle or a cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and increase the sides of it so that it's nice and smooth instead of all the polygons to it. And we're going to make that 100 by 100. And let's just group everything, or take in a line. I want to see if that's going to be about right. See how it comes out past that? I don't want that. So I'm going to take that down to probably 95 by 95. And let's go ahead and realign it. See, it's coming out past the tread a little bit, so let's go ahead and shrink it once more. We're just going to take it down to 90 by 90. Let's line it one more time and see where we're at. That will work. I'm happy with that. Okay, next thing I want to do is I want to take that and I want to bring down, I don't need it to be 20 millimeters tall. I only need it to be, say, 5 millimeters tall. There we go. So now I have a bottom to the candy dish. So I should be able to download this and print it and have a decent candy dish. I just want to take one more look at the measurements to see whether 100 will be good. You know what? Let's make it 100. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this and I'm going to group it. Once it's grouped, I'm just going to change the dimensions to 150 by 150. We're just going to pop that back in the middle there. That's going to be a cool looking candy dish. And actually with a smaller from top to bottom, right now we're sitting at 45. Let's make that 55. That looks like a pretty cool car tire right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download this and print it out on the Tevo Tarantula, and I'll see you at the end of the time lapse.
Okay guys, so 12 hours and 7 minutes. That's about 7 minutes longer than what my time lapse was for, I'm sure. Let's see if I need to heat the bed up or if it'll just come off. It sounds like it's going to come right off. Cool. It came off the print bed. That is one cool setup right there. As you can see, the plug they put in it fit well within the tread, so it doesn't look like it blocked off any of the tread on it. Gave us a nice bottom to it. It's only 5% infill, so it's not really a solid thick base to it, but that's all right because all it's going to do is hold candy. Now let me show you the candy I'm going to put in it. Now a while back I went on to Amazon and I bought this BaysideCandy.com. They actually sell this candy made by Edda's. Now the cool thing about these candies, they're what they call sugar-free. Now even though they're sugar-free, they still have carbohydrates to them, but not the same carbohydrates as a normal piece of candy that's made from sugar or corn syrup. It uses an ingredient called sucrose. So what's nice about that, it tastes really good. It doesn't affect your blood sugar near as bad as regular sugar. The only thing is, it's another good thing too, is I could put these on my desk, and yes, people are going to steal my candy right off the bat, but there's a little secret to these. If you eat 1 or 2 of these, they're great, no problem at all. You go and you eat a truckload of these, and let's just say it's a natural laxative as well. About 5 pieces, and you're going to regret that you ate all those. So I don't think I'll have to worry about a whole lot of people stealing my candy after they have that happen once or twice. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you get a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you'll be able to take and purchase merchandise like this from my TeePublic store, or go to the Amazon affiliate and be able to purchase that merchandise from there. Every little bit helps the channel. I sure appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out my Patreon page over here. And if you like to watch my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to like them. Oh yeah, you're going to love them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.